In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate percentages of total in Google Sheets. This is a handy skill that can help you quickly analyze data and uncover insights without much hassle. Whether for tracking your expenses, analyzing business data, or academic purposes, mastering this simple yet powerful tool can provide a deeper understanding. To get started, first, open a Google Sheet. If you're already familiar with Google Sheets, you know where to find it: in your Google Drive. If you're entering this world for the first time, type Google Sheets into your browser's search bar, click on the link, and then select blank to create a new spreadsheet. Once you're in the spreadsheet, look for cell A2. This is usually where you'll input your header or start your data set. Click on cell A2 to select it. This step is crucial for identifying where your data will appear once you've calculated the percentages. Next, you're going to want to format your cells to ensure that you see the data as percentages rather than decimal form. To do this, click on Format in the top menu. The Format menu is packed with options that can transform how your data looks, but for today's purpose, we'll be honing in on just a few. After clicking Format, a drop-down menu appears. Here, you need to select Number. This selection will further expand your options into various number formats. You're going to find percent in this list, so make sure you click on it. By selecting percent, you're telling Google Sheets to show all data in these cells in percentage format, which is pivotal for the calculation you're about to perform. With your cells now set to a percentage format, it's time to type in the formula. The formula you're going to use is quite simple. In the cell where you wish to see the percentage result, type an equal sign followed by C2. Then input a slash, which acts as your divisor, and then type B2. So your formula should look something like this: LC2 to B2. Remember that this formula is referencing cell locations, so make sure your data aligns with these locations accordingly. Once you've typed in your formula, all you need to do is hit Enter. As soon as you press the Enter key, Google Sheets automatically calculates the value and displays it as a percentage, thanks to the formatting you did earlier. You'll see your hard work pay off with a neat and clear percentage displayed right in front of you. And there you have it, a straightforward way to calculate percentages of the total within Google Sheets. This formula is now ready to be copied down the column for as many rows as you need, saving you both time and effort with repetitive calculations. Armed with this newfound understanding, you're all set to bring data to life through meaningful insights and more robust analysis.